The dense forests on the Rajasthan-Haryana border were being used as a training ground for a fringe terrorist outfit. This has been confirmed to NDTV by the Rajasthan police. In fact, in a joint operation led by the Delhi police and supported by the Rajasthan police, 6 people have been arrested from inside the forest. Some arms and ammunition, and even an AK-47 has been recovered from the criminals as well. The module was led by Dr. Ishtiaq, reportedly a native of Ranchi. Listen to what the police had to say.
पोस्ट आई थी कि उनका एक इन्फॉर्मेशन थी, उसको वेरिफिकेशन भी उनको करना था और साथ ही साथ उन्होंने हमारे राजस्थान पुलिस से सहयोगी मांगा था कि हमें आपका सिक्योरिटी कवर चाहिए। सस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में ये कि यहाँ पर आए हैं, कुछ इनके बारे जानकारी, उसमें हमें अरेस्ट करने की कार्रवाई हम करेंगे, इस प्रकार के बाद इन्फॉर्मेशन है। ऐसे पर हमने उनको पुलिस फोर्स उपलब्ध करवाया जा करके जो सस्पेक्ट्स आए उनको करीब संख्या में 6 लोग थे, जिनको वहाँ पुलिस को हमने गिरफ्तार करके उनको सुपुर्द किया गया था। और बाकी शेष जो कार्रवाई थी वो चूँकि दिल्ली पुलिस इसके स्पेशल सेल्स में डील कर रही है, तो उनकी पूरी डिटेल्स है वो उनके पास में है।
And our senior colleague Harsha Kumari Singh is now joining us live on the phone lines. So Harsha ma'am, seems like a dramatic operation there, a full-fledged module operating from these dense forests.
Yes, absolutely. And in fact, the government is taking this very seriously. I mean, this module led by this Dr. Ishtiaq of Ranchi, apparently he was training people to carry out some kind of a terror strike in the country. I mean, a kind of a high-profile terror strike. Now, it's not just Rajasthan. In fact, police sources have told us that, in Ranchi, in Aligarh, these raids have also been conducted. And the special police of the special set of the Delhi police is actually coordinating with the police forces of Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh to kind of get to the bottom of this. It's very serious that, somebody who was named as one of the, a person who has been sort of marked as a terrorist, this person has been in touch with some serious, terror network. That's what we've been told. That's why it's being taken quite seriously, apart from the fact that, of course, they have recovered an AK-47 also. And, deep inside the forest, they were giving them training as to how they should handle weapons. And, the worrying fact is that this doctor apparently has links with Abdul Rahman Katki, who's supposed to be a close associate of Rahman Lakhvi, the person who was the Mumbai terror attack mastermind. He's, of course, currently in jail. So, they will also be questioning him about his links with this. This is an Al-Qaeda-inspired sort of fringe element, but it definitely seems they had some serious plans because they were caught with arms, ammunition, they were undergoing training, and even an AK-47 has been recovered from them. They are currently in the custody. 6 of them caught in Rajasthan's Bhiwadi are currently in the custody of the Delhi police.